You sure you want to drive it?
Fuck.
Yeah, you know what? I'm gonna put it down. Ooh, we got a new lip. I gotta remember to take it easy. There we go. Look at her, man. Looking beautiful as shit. Alright, we'll just take the highway all the way there. I-10? Yeah, I-10. This is so dope, bringing both cars out. Ready? The clutch is hard? Just, you know, let it smooth into it, yeah. My boys think it's the same thing. So dope though, driving both cars at the same time. Shit. I'm just like, damn. Hopefully don't get pulled over.
Wait, huh? I mean, just like fucking.
Yeah, they're gonna see both cars with the same plate. If you keep doing that. Hey, don't let her blow up. Alright guys, gotta let the car cool down. But we're gonna go ahead and put some saucy oil, VR1 only. Some people say that it's too thick, but this is high zinc. This is just for race cars, man. So we're gonna do the superconductor spark plug wire, whatever. And then my spark plug. So she gonna get some treatment. We got the sensor, got the low side in. Literally getting tuned it tomorrow. So yeah, this is way too hot. Definitely gotta cool down. So gonna go ahead and get some food, and we'll be right back to pick her up. But I really need to. Get my own spot, my own lift, do everything myself. Not like building a whole motor or like putting my own cam in right off the bat, but like, you know, maintenance stuff, definitely want my own little shop to do that, so. How's she drive?
She drives pretty smooth. That shit's smooth.
Let's go get some food, man, I'm starving. And dude, what a fucking night, bro. What a night, what a day.
What did we do before that? What did we do?
Charger? I got 5%. What you got?
2%.
Damn, bro. They look like need to be swapped, right?
Yeah, they're more dark as fuck.
Yeah, I swapped them out like December going into January, right before the head cam, so. And then the stock wires that I had to get rid of. So. MSD wires are looking real good right there. The last step, boys. Got the lid, the low side flexio sensor, spark plug, oil change. And I think that's it. The only thing that I didn't get was the 103 throttle body. But that's okay because after 2K I still got things to do. Still got a little bit of modifications to do to the car. Even though we're going to be focusing on the Shelby, there's still a little bit of modifications to do, like the intake and throttle body, maybe another extra meth nozzle, or the Pro Meth tank or something. I don't know. We'll see how I'm feeling. Or, hey, even a little 100 shot. A little 100 shot. The headers are 2-inch, and they were rubbing on the stock wires, so these MSDs are like bendable. What? The MSD wires are like you can bend them so they don't touch the header. So. Yeah, it's not rubbing. Yeah, no, they were rubbing like a motherfucker. But all that's left to do is change the oil and that's it.
That one vet from yesterday after meet with the Maggie, bro. That was fat.
I'm gonna race him. And I'm gonna gap him. Let's do it. Nah, yeah, that Madison's thick as shit.
Stupid thick, bro.
That's
it was like probably like right. I was like, damn.
Alright, bro. Thank you. Shout out to the boy for taking me in last minute. I mean, deadass, me and Nathan were gonna try doing it ourselves, but I was like, yeah, might as well just get it done, you know. Gotta get tuned tomorrow, whatever, you know.
What time you get tuned tomorrow?
10 a.m.
10 a.m.
I think I'm gonna bring Zinky with because it's his day off.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. We are ready to be tuned tomorrow on the 85. This video was just the last couple things that I needed to do on the vet. Pretty much all that we gotta do now is put the drag setup on and that is it. Get tuned tomorrow. Do the drag setup. Do some pulls. Make sure everything is straight. And then we're gonna have a great 2K, man. We're gonna stay safe. I know it's gonna be a rough year. And they're gonna be on their ass this year, but just gotta be with the right group, man. You ready? Oh man. Can't go wrong with that steady top. Yeah. But that is like a deeper tone. Yeah, I don't know. I love both. Alright, it's perfect because I got 56 to E, and Sorian is a good 30 minutes away from me. So by the time I get home, and by the time I get to Sorian's tomorrow, I should be damn near empty. So we can go ahead and put E85 in there. That's so weird just seeing my car, the Shelby, just take off in front of me and hearing it. Oh, you. Got caught up. Oh my god, is that a Challenger cop? What in the fuck? Okay, that is wicked. What's that doing there? What happened?
Yeah, but no, we gotta talk about that cop, bro. That challenge.
It's gonna be a spicy 2K, bro.
No cap.
But it's alright. But yeah. How'd you like the show?
That shit drives pretty smooth.
The tires are ass. They're bald and they're street tires, so that's why you were spinning.
Yeah, I was spinning on the gear.
They're freaking Goodyears, bro.
I barely hop on the drive, bro, for real.
Yeah, I'm telling you.
What?
Alright, y'all. The vet is ready to be tuned tomorrow morning. The next video will be tuning the car on E85, hoping to make 840, 850 wheel. We'll see what's good. But we got the low side end, we got the flex fuel sensor, we got the 17 plus lid, did an oil change, spark plugs, MSD wires. Should be good to go, man. Only thing that I'm missing is the throttle body and intake, but hey, now we got something to do after 2K while we're building this. So
850 for tomorrow.
850, man. Y'all stay tuned. See y'all in the next video.
Yeah.
You know, just casually a 4 GT. Like nothing. Oh yeah, like nothing. Alright, yo. Just pulled up to this meet. Got a spot right here. Had to avoid that little wedge right there, but sheesh. snack, right?
Something like that.
Right?
That's pretty good.
Nah, that's too dark for me,
You
bro.
guys gonna be between this one or the other one?
Yeah.
I was in favor of this one.
This is too dark for me. I feel like it's at night it looks black.
I think the one that you got right now looks
Yeah, no, I think so.
It stands out more. For sure. I don't know about that yellow. I don't like that yellow.
Yeah, it's got a Maggie in it. Little 2650 though. Big as hell, damn. Oh, it's an auto too. All right. Hey, 2650.
That's big.
That is big.
That's a big. Look at that bitch.
Whoa, and then that one got a whole NX slid. Damn.
Now this color vibe. These are nitrous?
Nah, it's probably just. He just got the lid. Yeah. This is the one that you can do the direct math port, like the direct math, you know? Because it's like the nitrous one, it's like, you know?
Yeah, keep it.
Yeah, you can keep it, bro. Ingot silver and the red stripes.
Red. That with black stripes is boss. Red stripes, that just don't go together, bro.
You really don't think so?
I took Art 1 my freshman year in college, bro. They don't go together.
I took art my freshman year in high school. Hold on, man. Hold on. Sheesh. Damn, bro. Imagine driving this. I'd whip the fuck out this thing.